Got some John Deere 425 action here. Loading up the drag harrow to prep my little garden out at my reclaimed mining land. And here's the section that I had plowed in the fall with the Craftsman GT 5000. It's been sitting all winter, freezing and thawing, and as you can see, the drag harrow is breaking up the clods quite nicely and making a good seed bed. In this section of the garden that's bare dirt, I'll be planting potatoes and onions. Got a good turning radius, so makes it a lot easier to handle this drag harrow. Now I'm going to start running it through here my winter rye cover crop, but it's mostly grass too that's left over. I'll be plowing that with the GT 5000 here soon so that I can plant some winter squash in that section. Now this area I just covered with landscape fabric. I didn't plow it, but it's still breaking up pretty nicely, so I should be able to use my Haas Garden Tools seeder and plant some sunflowers in that section. This is really compacted soil, but the Craftsman and the John Deere have been a good team, and I think I'll have a pretty good garden out there this year. Right now I'm just checking to see what the soil structure looks like, and now I'm just hilling up a spot for onions. And then I dug a shallow trench for potatoes, and I'll hill those up throughout the season. Try to keep the soil nice and loose for the potatoes. And using my Ego inverter to plug in a pump from my pond and give everything a good watering. Well, hopefully it'll be a good garden.